Hey guys, how are you here? Back with a little bit of a vlog style glove video talking about the gloves I've been using the last few weeks to a month. I got these off Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. They are a latex styled, standard knitted back glove, winter style as people like to call them. You can normally find these in the stores of many sites. A lot of times you have to ask the management nicely. They'll give you some for free, but you want your own little stash of them. You don't want to be always scrounging for gloves. I've done it for years. Oh, have you got any gloves, mate? You got any gloves? Ask it, following site labour around like a lost dog, asking for gloves. And to be fair, you waste more time waiting to get a fucking key at stores than you could have done just buying these. So I've got 24 for 14 quid. Works out about 60p per pair of gloves. And that pair of gloves will last you anywhere from 2 to 5 days, depending on what type of work you're doing, whether you're on heavy blocks or you're lashing bricks down 10 to a dozen. Great for loading out, great for laying. Obviously, I've got these a bit of a tighter fit, so I'll put one on now so you can see. So here we go, got a glove on. And as you can see, obviously, bricklaying, you want to feel your fingertips on the brick. You want to not be, touching the line with your thumb. Obviously, you want to try to get these as tight as possible. These are a brand new pair, so they're a little bit stiff. But after you've worn them for a couple of hours, picked a few bricks up, they tend to, mold your hand a little bit better. I won't say they're as good as like the shower pairs of gloves that I got given. I got given a pair of gloves by one of the labourers on site, a shower. I got a couple out at stores, and I've got to say they're probably some of the best gloves I've ever used. But I've looked online, they're about £1.50 to £2.50 per pair, so at least I think minimum £2.50 a pair, whereas these 60p per pair. Buying them at 24 at a go, £14 something I've paid for them, but it works out 58p a pair. And you can't, basically 50p a week on gloves, £2 a month. You can't fucking £2 to £3 a month depending on how many pairs you get through. It's an absolute doddle. You know what I mean? Over a year, you're only spending 30-40 quid on gloves. Whereas if you can, some pairs of gloves you can buy at like £2 a pop. You can be, we can go in through them £2 a week. Probably some are going through 2 pairs in a week at £1.50 per pair. So you can be going through £3 a week on gloves, and then per month, 12 quid a month. You can be spending 120 quid a year, 130 quid a year on gloves. If you want to save yourself some money, you can save over 100 quid by buying these gloves. You know what I mean? If you buy the wrong type of gloves, it could be curtains. And that's just, 100 quid. That could be a month's council tax or something, you know what I mean? Depending on what band you're in. Probably 2 weeks if you're in a posh area. But yeah, so anyway, I'm going to finish my Stella. Got a Stella, a bit of lemonade in it because it's a school night. So that's a little bit of a, reason why I like wearing these gloves. Good for rubbing bricks off if you haven't got a brush to hand. Rub it smooths off, stuff like that. Bit of latex, you can't beat a bit of latex on the bottom of your glove. Anyway guys, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll be back with some proper bricklaying videos tomorrow. I'm going to carry on watching Travellers, and I'll see you in the next one.